What do hedgehog spines have to do with engineering? Turns out, a lot. Hedgehog spines are not just for defense. Their design is a masterclass in bio-inspired engineering. Their structure absorbs impact and distributes pressure with precision. Engineers are now mimicking these spines in robotics, automotive safety, and even building materials. It's nature's way of teaching us how to make things stronger, safer, and more efficient. By learning from hedgehog spines, we're unlocking a new world of design that's both functional and sustainable.